Good evening, YouTube. So, this is a 2006 Nissan Altima. It's a 2.5. Standard. Here's the thing. So I was looking through YouTube trying to figure out how to change the starter on this, and everyone was pointing me to taking off the air vent, or the air intake, and that it was going to be back down in here. But as I took off the air intake, I was like, oh shoot, couldn't find it. So after looking for it, not being able to find it in YouTube videos, or really, without doing some deep searching, I needed it tonight. I found it. It's up under here underneath the battery. You can see down there towards the bottom. So really the cool part about this is it's actually easier to get to than what the automatics are. So if you go right here, I can figure out my lighting situation, I apologize. So underneath the battery, right over there is the top bolt. And really I didn't even have to undo much of anything. So as you get right up underneath here, you don't have to move anything besides, well, really nothing. There's the bottom bolt. And then you just need to undo the cable there. And the cool part is it just starts. I mean, it was really hard to get up under to it, or get these bolts loose. But it happened to be pretty easy to get to, which is really nice. A lot of the ones with the automatics looked like they were extremely difficult. So loose the bolt from the bottom, loose the bolt on the top, and I think this is there's that main one. There it is. Cool. So I'm going to pull that out, and I'll let you know how easy it is to get to, but I wanted everyone to see that in a manual transmission Nissan in the 2006, where'd my light go? My light down there. But you don't need to take that off. All you need to do is go to the side of the battery and get that bolt on the top. Okay, hope that helps. All right, so we got the last one in there. The last bolt. I forgot to say that up here, see where that red cap is? You got to unbolt that as well. I didn't say that in the last part of it, but right now I just put that back on. That was a size 12 to get off, and then the nut that it came with was a size 13. I'm just about to clip back into there, into its housing. That I just tightened. I'm gonna torque down the one up top, which is holding it all in right now. But that's all. That's real quick. 2006 Nissan Altima manual transmission. It is a lot easier than the automatic ones from what it looks like. So I hope this helps. Leave a comment about if this helped you out. And if you have any other tips and tricks on these cars, because it's been a fun thing to work on. So anyways, thanks so much for watching the video. Appreciate you. Talk to you later.